Hi, my name's Philippa Carroll and I'm from Ravel. We're at SIGGRAPH this year showcasing our Ravel Orchestrate software solution. So Ravel Orchestrate is an IT automation tool for the creative industries, which really allows the easy automated assembly and deployment of infrastructure, software, virtualization and security tools. So it's a powerful solution for IT and DevOps teams, and it brings together everything that you'll need to virtualize your high-end tech stack and infrastructure and to deliver creative environments to teams or individuals and servers anywhere in the world. Ravel's been around for just over 10 years, previously operating as Stratus Core, and about 10 years ago we developed the first virtual studio, which was a means of virtualizing again infrastructure and software and providing virtual machines to individuals around the world, specifically focused on visual effects workflows and animation workflows. And today we've turned that technology, we really unraveled it, hence our name Ravel, and we've created a solution that puts the power into the hands of the IT and DevOps professionals themselves to virtualize their own technology, their own infrastructure and tech stacks. You can find out more about Ravel on our website, ravelinc.com,